Nothing much to incrementally talk about in terms of the index itself. So the Nifty still holding with a gain of around 0.2%, mid-cap index up around 0.5%. Stocks such as Indiabulls Housing Finance not doing too badly. But let's concentrate on a couple of numbers now. We have Mr. K. Alagasan, who's the CMD of ITI Limited, who joins in on the phone line to discuss the Q3 performance. Hi, sir. Thanks very much for taking the time out. If you can just explain to us what led to this revenue growth of 124% for the company this quarter.
Up to this Q3, we have achieved a turnover of 1194 crores. Out of that, we have made a 24 crores profit. It is compared to the same period of up to Q3. Last year, we have made 739 crores turnover, and without grant, we are lost for 10 crores. And with the grant, 123 crores profit. So this year we could make this much turnover because our order book position was very comfortable. And the order book position was at the beginning of the year, it was around 1900 crores only, 1/4/2018. And now we are in a position to build up very good order book position. Now we are sitting with around 50,000 crores order book position. And around 10,000 crores orders are likely to come anytime, where we have become L1 and order will come anytime.
Okay.
So since we are having an order book position of this thing, we were in a position to achieve. We could have achieved a little more better performance, but some of the orders, it came late compared to what we were anticipating.
Okay.
Yes,
I just want to clarify that your Q3 revenue includes maybe some unbilled revenue of around 257 odd crores?
Having work done, we have done it, but now we completed the work. It is not unbilled. As per our standard practice of billing, now having done the work and we can account it, that we have accounted.
So this is not a new feature?
It is not a new feature. It is as per the accounting principles, and billing will take time. Billing will be done now, but as per the accounting, so having done the work, as per the order calls for, that we have billed it. We have accounted it.
Mr. Alagasan, could you give us the trajectory for the next couple of quarters, foreseeable future? What are the operational numbers going to look like? What do you foresee?
I don't know, sir. We are going to file the DRHP. I can give the figure on, but I am aiming. We have fixed a turnover of something like 3,000 plus. We have fixed, and hopefully I'll be touching that figure because some of the orders which you are expecting little late it has come. As of now, I am sitting with a comfortable order position, but orders there was some of the orders were delayed from 2-3 months time. That has a little bit put us this thing. Definitely, we'll be nearing about that maybe 3,000 crores. But next year onwards, each quarter we will be doing it comfortable turnover we will do compared to our previous year experience, considering our current very good numbers of order position.
What is this other income which has helped in your profit? You've reported a profit because your other income was quite strong.
Other income. Other income, madam, since right off that whatever provisions we have made, no.
Okay.
That things we have accounted, madam.
Okay. All right. We're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking to us. So that is the ITI management.
Okay, let's get some futures and options strategies going. Yogesh Mehta of Motilal Oswal is with us to run us through exactly those. Yogesh, morning. What are you doing?
Yeah, morning, Prashant. Since markets are just playing hide and seek between 200 days simple moving average today, and yesterday's sell-off, it is stabilizing there. Plus, one more noticeable thing is it is holding on to the month's low of 10,813 level. So, unless and until it breaches, we believe that market will remain in the same silent zone. So, ballpark trading range would be 10,810 to 10,920. On future strategy side, we are Jindal Steel and Power. Yesterday post short covering rally. Today we have seen a open interest build up of 2 to 3% more. That shows some strength, and it has surpassed its crucial resistance of 138. So currently it is 143.5 level. Keeping a 138 as a stop loss, one can go long with a target price of 152 to 55 level. The other one is Bata. Interesting, noticeable is open interest is up by 25% in the futures. Current price is all-time high level 1237 level. Keeping a small stop loss of 1220. Target would be the new orbit further at 1280-85 level. The short opportunity here is in pharma sector, but almost all the pharmas are down today. But Sun Pharma is quoting at 1.5% higher, but still on the technical setup, 455, 456 is the multiple high, previous multiple highs. It has not surpassed that. Currently it is quoting at 444 level. Keeping a stop of the 450, target could be in the range of 420 to 430 levels.
Okay, all right, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in. And on that note, we're going to wrap up the show, but we'll leave you with some market opinion from Tushar Pradhan of HSBC Global AMC.
If I say that our market's attractive, especially in the mid and small cap space, then definitely yes. But will the market stop here? That's anybody's guess. But over the long run, I think if anybody wants to enter this space, this can be looked at in hindsight as a very good opportunity. If I am looking at visibility in earnings, if I am looking at visibility in growth and sales, I think I can see this. But in other parts of the market, there doesn't seem to be that much more visibility. So the market seems to be lopsided in favor of visibility. As we go into the middle of this year, I think the second half will clearly show where the momentum will come through, and we obviously believe that earnings will sustain throughout this period. So I think valuations towards the third quarter of the year become a lot more interesting to look at from an earnings pickup point of view.